India is popularly known for its masala chai. Actually, there is no perfect recipe for chai masala. It varies from home to home. So this chai masala that I have made is specially for winters. So let's see how to make it. So first of all, we will roast all the spices. So here I am taking 3 tablespoons of Elaichi, 10 to 15 cloves, that is Laung, 1 tablespoon of Fennel Seeds, that is Saunf, 10 to 15 black peppercorns, that is Kali Mirch, 3 cinnamon sticks, that is Dalchini, 2 star anise, that is Chakr, and 1 nutmeg, that is Jayfal. Now roast all the spices for 5 minutes. As you will roast it, your room will be filled with a nice aroma of spices. So now transfer them into a plate and let it cool down for 5 minutes. And now we will break the dalchini and nutmeg in small pieces and transfer all the spices in a mixer jar and grind them to a fine powder. I forgot to add dry ginger powder, so add 3 tablespoons dry ginger powder. So our chai masala is ready. Transfer it in a jar. And so now we will make the chai. For that, take a saucepan, add 1 cup of water in it. Then add 2 teaspoons of Chai Patti. This recipe will give you 2 cups of chai. Then add 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. Now boil it for 3-4 minutes. Once it starts boiling, then add 1/4 teaspoon of chai masala powder that we made earlier. Then add 1 cup of milk in it. Then again boil it for 2-3 minutes or until a nice color comes out. So our chai is ready. Masala chai is ready. So hope you all like this video. Try out this recipe and share your comments in the comment box given below. And if you are new to my channel, then subscribe my channel. So see you all in the next video. Till then, bye bye.